Assalamualaikum. Today we'll be presenting for Financial Management 420, a trend and comparative study and analysis of corporation financial performance between Petronas Chemical and also Lotte Chemicals. And this is our team members. The first one is me, myself, Aisyah Ibrahim. The second members was Izzah Malek, and the third members was Farisah, Mirza. As for the justifications on the selection company, here is why we choose these two companies. The first point was industry leadership and market positions. Petronas and Lotte Chemicals are both prominent players in the chemical industry, known for their intensive market reach and influence. Their established presence in the market allow for comprehensive analysis of industry trends, best practice, and competitive strategy. As for the second points, financial performance and stability. Both companies demonstrate a strong financial performance and stability, making them an ideal candidate for a comprehensive study. Petronas Chemical, being a subsidiary of Petroleum National Berhad Petronas, benefit from the financial banking and stability from its parent company. Similarly, Lotte Chemicals, as part of the Lotte Group, enjoy financial support and stability from their parent company. Third point was diverse product portfolio. Petronas Chemical and Lotte Chemicals offer a wide range of chemical products serving a various industries such as automotive, construction, agriculture, and consumer goods. This diversity in their product portfolio allow for a more comprehensive understanding of the different segments within the chemical industry. The point number 4 was commitment to innovation and sustainability. Both companies prioritize innovation and sustainability. And the final point was strategic expansions and global presence. Petronas Chemical and also Lotte Chemical have a strong global footprint, with operation and market presence is the key across Asia, Europe, and beyond.
Hi, my name is Nurul Izzah. Today I want to present about Petronas Chemical. It's a background company established over 30 years ago. We operate through 19 world-class manufacturing sites and 30 production plants in Malaysia, Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. Core activity is olefin, polymer, fertilizer, methanol, basic and derivative chemicals. Vision of Petronas Chemical is to become the preferred chemical company providing innovative customer solutions. And the mission is the preferred chemical company providing innovative customer solutions and making a difference to the life of millions of people around the world. Every company have a weaknesses and the strengths. The weaknesses have 4 points here are dependency on the global market. 2 is strict environmental regulation in various regions. 3 is intense competition within the chemical industry others. 4 is potential disruption in the supply chains. And the strength is one of the world's strongest brand name is Petronas, and 2 is diverse and huge operation, 3 huge market potential, and 4 is sponsor education to Malaysian students.
Next is company background for Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad. Lotte Chemical Titan Holding is one of the leading polyolefin producers in Southeast Asia, operating under the umbrella of Lotte Chemical Corporation of South Korea. The company began as a Titan Chemical in Malaysia in 1989 and has grown rapidly through various mergers and acquisitions, including a merger with Lotte Chemical in 2010, with a production plants in Malaysia and Indonesia. Lotte Chemical Titan produce chemical and plastic products used in a variety of industries, including packaging, automotive, and construction. The company's commitment to innovation and sustainability has made it a major player in the regional petrochemical industry. Next is core activity. Lotte Chemical Titan Core Activity Center on the production and distribution of petrochemical products, especially polyolefins, such as polyethylenes and polypropylenes. The company operates large production facility in Malaysia and Indonesia, producing various chemical, raw material used in the packaging, automotive, construction and consumer goods industry. With a focus on innovation and sustainability, Lotte Chemical Titans strive to provide efficient and environmentally friendly chemical solutions to meet the global market needs.
Liquidity ratio, the ability of a company to pay its short-term obligation using current asset. As you can see, based on this graph, Lotte Chemical experienced a high NWC in 2020 due to the favorable market conditions and strong financial performance. In contrast, 2023 shows lowest NWC, likely due to the decrease of revenue, the operation costs, and possibly adverse economic conditions leading to the liquidity challenge. The current ratio is a measure of the company liquidity with the highest ratio indicating more liquid and potentially more financial stable company and financial health. So, according to the two graphs, Lotte Chemical had a better current ratio in 2020 and 2021, indicating a superior liquidity during those years. However, in 2022 and 2023, Petronas had a better current ratios, especially in 2023, where Lotte Chemical dropped significantly, indicating potential liquidity issue. As for the asset management or activity ratios, we measure the efficiency of the company in using asset to generate sales or cash. As you can see based on the graph, Lotte Chemical shows significant higher and improving RTO in 2022 and also 2023 compared to the Petronas Chemical. For the Lotte Chemical has a better RTO, indicating more efficient management of account receivable in recent years. The indicator that we've been using is concept or measurement. The higher the RTO, the better the company is at collecting its receivable, which generally suggests better liquidity and operational efficiency. As for the average collection period, Lotte Chemical has a better SCP in 3 out of 4 years, which is in 2020, 2022 and also 2023, which particularly strong performance in 2022 and also 2023. Therefore, Lotte Chemical has the best SCP overall, making it more efficient at collecting its receivable compared to Petronas Berhad. The indicator that we'll be using is the lower the SCP is, the more efficient the company at collecting its receivable, which generally suggests better liquidity and operational efficiency. Cross-sectional between Petronas Chemical and also Lotte Chemical. Net working capital or NWC, this is based on 2022. The indicator that we're using in this analysis is the higher the NWC indicates better liquidity and financial health. You can see based on the graph, Lotte Chemical has a significant higher NWC compared to Petronas Chemical. The company indicates it has a stronger ability to meet short-term liabilities and finance its day-to-day operation. The higher NWC can also imply a better liquidity, management and financial stability, allowing Lotte Chemical to potentially invest more and growth, pay off debt or distribute the dividend to the shareholder. Thus, the Lotte Group is in a better position in terms of working capital in 2022. The final one from my part was the current ratios. We also take from the same year, which is 2022. The indicator that we'll be using is a higher current ratio indicates a better liquidity and also a financial health. In 2022, Petronas Chemical has a better current ratio, which is 2.1 compared to the Lotte Chemical. which is the current ratio with only 1.37. It suggests the Petronas Chemical has a stronger ability to recover its short-term liabilities and its current asset, indicating a better liquidity and also potential help in a short-term performance.
Okay, this slide for leverage or debt ratio, it measure a company's level of debt and its ability to fulfill and pay for financial obligation. Refer to graph is indicated as a low debt ratio can indicate financial stability and lower financial risk. The debt ratio is a financial indicator that measure the proportion of the company that holding behind asset and debt are financed by debt. Calculate as total debt divided by total assets. From 2020 to 2022, Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad maintained a relatively low and stable debt ratio. This suggests a significant risk in the company release and debt financing potentially indicating increased leverage or change in financial strategy. Okay, next is account receivable turnover between Petronas Chemical Group and Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad. Indicator refer to the graph. The higher the auto is the account receivable turnover, the better the company is at collecting its receivable, which generally suggests better liquidity and operational efficiency. In 2022, Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad has a better account receivable turnover at 16.61 compared to Petronas Chemicals Group Berhad account receivable turnover of of 8.64. This suggests that Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad has better credit management practice and quicker receivable collection, improving its liquidity position. Okay, the next is average collection period between Petronas Chemical Group and Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad. Indicator refer to the graph. If the shorter SCP indicate that a company is efficient at collecting its receivable and has a quick cash conversion cycle, while a longer SCP suggests slower collection and potential cash flow issues. In 2022, Petronas Chemicals Group Berhad has a better average collection period of 8.41 compared to Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad average collection period at 33.21. This implies that Petronas Chemical Group Berhad is more efficient in collecting its receivable compared to Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad, which might face delays in cash inflows, potentially affecting its liquidity. Okay, lastly, the slide is for my part is debt to equity ratio between Petronas Chemical Group and Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad. Indicator refer to the graph. Here, the lower ratio suggests that the company is less leveraged, indicating lower financial risk and stronger reliance on equity financing. In this graph, Petronas Chemical Group Berhad has a significantly higher debt to equity ratio, approaching 0.25, is suggesting that it has a higher reliance on debt to finance its operation compared to a Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad, was the debt to equity is slightly above 0.05. This indicated that Petronas Chemical Group Berhad is leveraging more debt relative to its equity, which can imply higher financial risk compared to Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad. Okay, thank you.
Next, the slides refer to profitability ratio, measure a company effectiveness to generate profit from investment and sales. Return on asset. Petronas Chemical Berhad in 2022 higher in return on assets. The company is effectively in generating net profit using total asset. In 2021, lower in return on asset. The company has less effective in generating net profit using total asset. Indicator is the higher the return on asset, the better of more effective is the company in generating net profit using total asset. Next is return on equity. Petronas Chemical Berhad in 2022 higher in return on equity. The company is effectively in generating net profit using total equity. in 2021 lower in return on equity. The company has less effective in generating net profit using total equity. Its indicator, the higher the return on equity, the better of more effective is the company in generating net profit using total equity. Next is conclusion. Based on the research done on these two businesses, I heartily endorse them. It is advised that Petronas Chemical Group Berhad and Lotte Chemical Titan Holding Berhad look into the potential for strategic partnership in the area of research and development (R&D) to boost synergy and competitiveness in the global market. The companies can enhance their operational efficiency and speed up the development of a new product by merging their research and technology capabilities. Their product line will grow because on this partnership, which will also allow them to pool resource and expertise, cutting R&D expenses and accelerating time to market. Furthermore, by working together, they can expand their capacity to address the increasingly complicated demands on the market and concentrate on developing more sustainable and ecology-friendly chemical solutions, thus strengthening their position as innovative and environmentally responsible industry leader. That's all from us. Thank you.